Alright, I made you a video. So the issue is input jack is loose. Can't get your input cord in. So what's missing is one of these. This is a 1/4 inch input jack. This is a 1/4 inch input jack lock nut. It's kind of thin. All right. So if you have this, just put it back in there. Now if you can't reach that, if it's jammed in there, then all you do is remove these 2 screws. So apply firm pressure and carefully remove one. And 2. And then remove the cover plate. Behind that is your 1/4 inch input jack. The way this works, so there's your signal, goes underneath to the tip, and on this side is the sleeve, goes directly to the ground. Input, ground. Piece of cake. So let's grab that cover plate. Make sure you have your lock washer on there. Line this up. And drop your okay. And I use a 13mm Depot. Snug it up tight. Line this up on the bottom so it's got room to flex in the cavity. Crank it tight. Make sure that your cords are clear. And replace your 2 screws. Nice and snug. That's all there is to it.